Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today Grandpa will be doing a blind taste test. What I have here is a Mockmill 100. This is a grain mill. I will be milling fresh whole grain cream of wheat. And what I have here is a box of cream of wheat which you could buy at the store. We're going to see if Grandpa will notice the difference. When I mill my own wheat like they did over 100 years ago, it keeps all of the vitamins and the minerals. Now if you look at the cream of wheat ingredients, you could see that they have wheat farina. Then they have to add back some of the vitamins and minerals that were removed when it was processed. But they don't add them all back. That's why using whole grain is healthier. I have here a 1/3 cup of cream of wheat, and that's what I'll be using for this. And here I have some soft white wheat berries, and I'll be milling some fresh cream of wheat. I just set the mill to 8. Now I'm going to turn it on. And I'm adding a 1/3 cup of the wheat berries. Now I'm turning it off. I turned it off. On the left is the freshly milled cream of wheat, and on the right is the store-bought. You could see that the store-bought looks darker. They add the wheat germ back into the processed wheat, and they might be using a different type of wheat. We are using soft white wheat. That's why it looks lighter also. Now I'm going to cook both of these up the same way. If you never made homemade cream of wheat, all you have to do is take 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil. You add a 1/3 cup of cream of wheat and stir for 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add my cream of wheat. I added my cream of wheat and I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to do it with a whisk now. I think this needs a whisk. Some people like lumps in their cream of wheat. And right now I'm going to stir this until it's nice and thick. I'm using my little whisk and this is much better. Grandpa's first going to try them plain. And then after that, he'll put some butter and maple syrup on them. How do they taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Tastes something like a cream of wheat or farina. I'm not sure because I don't see any labels here. One's lighter in color than the other. This is hot.
Well,
it's plain. It's not. Doesn't have any sweetness to it. Got a little nice flavor, but it's not sweet. This color is a little whiter. Seems to be more denser, thicker. Again, tastes like a farina or a cream of wheat. It tastes different than the other one. Let me go back to the first one. I don't taste any major difference between the two other than the thickness of the cereal.
I taste more wheat. That's the only difference I taste.
Which tastes more like wheat? I'd have to say the white one. I'd say the darker one's got the chemicals in it.
Buzzer, wrong. He needs that buzzer.
Now I'm going to taste them with butter and syrup.
I think it's good. You can take the difference.
Don't forget, I'm programmed for what we get on the market. I like them both with the butter and maple syrup added to them. Otherwise, they're too plain. More or less the one on the left here, the lighter one, is what probably I've been used to eating for years and years compared to this new one that I don't know what it is. But it's plain, different texture to it. Adding the maple syrup, adding the butter to it, increases the flavor somewhat and sweetness to it. I like the one on the left. the whiter one. Like I say, that's the type or taste that I've been used to eating over the years. I guess my palate is not refined enough to notice the real difference between the two.
Would you eat both of these?
I'd eat both of them, yeah, I'd eat both of them. They're both good. One of them I'm used to and one is new. It's a new cereal to me, and the other one's an old cereal to me. So, but they both taste good. They both taste good when you add the maple syrup and the butter to it to change the flavor and taste a little bit. But they both, if you put them on the market, I'd buy either one of them.
Grandpa, I hope you like the new one because that's what you're going to be eating.
Okay, Ma.